Hi, I was reading a poem which explains how our mind works. वो पोयम मुझे इतनी अपील की कि मैंने सोचा आप लोगों के साथ उसको शेयर करना चाहिए. And the poem goes like this: If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but you think you can't, it is almost certain you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out of the word we find success begins with the fellow's will. It is all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battle don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. और एक कहावत भी है कि it is not the dog in the fight which wins, it is the fight in the dog that wins the battle. Means हम कितने स्ट्रांग हैं फिजिकली, कितने हम ताकतवर हैं, it doesn't matter how strong I am from inside. That matters a lot. How I think in any adverse situation, how I think in any circumstances, any situation which comes in front of us, that determines our course of action. Usually क्या होता है, हम जो भी we are governed, majority of people are governed by the responses of five senses. Five senses से जो भी हमको response मिलता है, जो हम receive करते हैं, depending upon that information, depending upon that senses से उससे हम govern होते हैं, and then we decide our course of action, then we choose our actions, we choose our thoughts depending upon that. But that is not going to give us the great success or the desired result in our life. Why? क्योंकि अगर हम circumstances और situations से मतलब कहने का कि outer conditions को ध्यान में रख करके अपनी अपनी चीजें decide कर रहे हैं, अपना course of action decide कर रहे हैं, means हम उसी में रह करके solution खोजने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and that is not going to help us anymore. आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कि एक ही तरह के सर्कमस्टेंसेस में, एक ही तरह के सिचुएशन में कुछ लोग कुछ ऐसा कर जाते हैं जो हम और आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. हमको लगता है अरे ये तो असंभव था, बट ही और शी डिड. हाउ? इट इज द इनसाइड, इट इज द some X factor, it is the something beyond the outer things. They are not influenced by the outer circumstances. Something, that X factor inside their mind, inside their heart, inside their will, that provoke them to go the extra mile, to do that work. तो वो चीज हमको आपको इस बात पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना है कि आज जो भी सिचुएशन है, जो भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस है हम गुजर रहे हैं, सोचो जरा अपने आप से, am I governed by the outer circumstances? Am I governed by the situations around me? Or am I just taking my own decision? Am I thinking? Thinking is something different from the responses. So this has to be inculcated in our practice, in our habit. And if we want to have the extraordinary life, extraordinary results, and we have to practice this. This is so important that it plays a very vital role in our life. In my next videos, I'll explain how this works, how our mind works, what are the advanced mental faculties which gives us those extra strength, that extra power. Two things are there that I told you about. One is the outer circumstances. We are responsive to our senses, whatever we are receiving from them. And another thing is that is we are working from outside in. But the real fact, the real success, the real growth of life comes when we respond from inside out. So that we will discuss in our coming videos. Till then, be happy, love everyone, and keep smiling. God bless. Thank you.